بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. أعزائي الطلاب والطالبات، نسعد بكم دائما. وخلاص يعني احنا في الأسبوع الأخير من البرنامج الخاص باللغة الإنجليزية في الملتقى الصيفي بحي المعرفة. نسأل الله عز وجل أن يتقبل منا ما فات وأن ينفع بهذا العلم، اللهم آمين. اختبار المرة الماضية أنا أحببت أن أنتم اللي تصححوا الاختبار، لأن هذا يعني يضع يديك وعينيك على يعني مواطن الضعف عندك. ربما يعني لا تراجع نموذج الإجابة الذي أرسله، لكن لما أنت تجمع درجاتك بتعرف إيه اللي كان خطأ عندك وتصلحه، وهذا يعني. فبعض الطلبة أرسلوا وبعض الطلبة لم يرسلوا. الأمور طيبة إن شاء الله، لكن أود أن يرسل الجميع لنستفاد من هذه النقطة، وهي يعني التركيز على أخطائنا والتعلم منها في المستقبل إن شاء الله، ألا نقع فيها مرة أخرى. Today إن شاء الله بإذن الله رب العالمين ناخد درس جديد، the zero conditional of if. Okay, if zero conditional. To speak about the zero conditional, you should know the present simple tense, because I have two sentences, sentence on the right and sentence on the left. The sentence on the right is on the present simple tense, and the sentence in the left also in the present simple tense. So all the lesson about the what? Present simple tense. So we are going to explain the present simple tense again in a short time, inshallah. Okay? The present simple tense. The present simple tense. Okay? F. This is the form of the zero conditional of if. Okay? If plus the first sentence is present simple tense, and the second sentence is the present simple tense. You should know the form of the present simple tense, such as I plus verb infinitive. Okay? She is plus play plus s, go plus es, try omit y, and ies instead of y. Okay? In our vision, he, she, it plus verb plus s plus es plus ies. This is the form of the present simple tense. Okay, for the singular what? Singular pronoun. The plural pronoun such as they, we, you, and you can see I. Okay, verb without in addition. You can add ies or es or s or anything. You should make the sentence in the infinitive verb. Okay, the infinitive form. Without it, in addition, any addition. Okay. So again, the form of the present simple tense, singular pronoun such as he, she, it, verb plus s or es or ies, plural pronoun such as they, we, you, I, plus verb in the infinitive what? Infinitive form. Okay. So you can use these forms in the first side of the sentence after if. And the second side also you can use the form of the present simple tense. Now, what about the zero conditional? When I can or when can I use the zero conditional? When you want to speak about facts or instructions, you should use the zero conditional. Okay? Such as I will give you an example. If you put water on fire, what happened? It evaporate, okay? It evaporate. But I don't want to evaporate. Evaporate. Evaporate is wrong. I should write evaporates. Okay? Okay. If you put water on fire, it evaporates. That water, okay, will be gas. Do you know gas? Okay? Water will evaporate, but you can't say will because it's a fact. So the fact, as we explained before, the fact and habits and transportation timetable, all of this you can use the present simple tense, and you can't use will or should or can or anything, okay? But you will use the present simple tense. So it, water, it plus verb plus s or es or ies. So if I write if he, you will put s, okay? If he puts water on fire, it evaporates, okay? This sentence in the present simple tense, and this sentence, the other side of this sentence in the present simple tense. Okay? Okay, another one. Plants die if they don't get enough water. Okay? The sentence is a fact. Plants, do you know plants? Grass. Okay, trees. Die. Will die, but I can't say will. Okay, as I explained. Plants die, no life. Okay? If they is about plants. Okay? If they don't get enough water. Okay? Such as the plants in the desert. Okay? Okay. Another one. So again, this, what if I write tree, I will write dies. Okay? Yeah. If it doesn't get enough water. Okay? Okay. Another example. If you put ice on fire, it melts. Okay? If you put ice on fire, it melts. Okay? Bring a piece of what? Of ice. Okay? And put it in the fire. What happened? It melts and will be water. Will be water. You can't write it will melt. If anyone, it will melt, it's wrong. Why? Because it's a fact. And fact in that zero conditional, what? The first side of the sentence, present simple tense, and the second side or the other side of the sentence is present simple tense too. Okay. So again, but will be both if it, he, she, Ali, or any singular through what? Pronoun. Okay. You can write when instead of if. When you put ice on fire, melts. Okay, so F equals what? Equals when. When equals F. In any sentence, you can use when instead of what? Instead of F. Another one. If you freeze water, it becomes what? If you freeze water, it becomes ice. But a bottle of water, okay, in a freezing mood, okay, and you will note that it becomes ice. Okay, if you freeze water, it becomes ice. Another meaning, you can say that the water will be ice if you put it in a freezing mode under zero. So present symbol, okay, and this present symbol, it S because it's singular pronoun. So you can omit F and put when. Okay, you put when you freeze for water, it becomes what? Ice. Becomes what? Ice. You can write another one. If it rains, the grass gets wet. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Okay? If it rains, the grass gets what? Gets wet. Okay. The sky rains to get water. The grass, plants, and so on gets what? Gets well. So the zero conditional, again, you can say all what we explained about the present simple tense. Okay, the present simple tense, singular pronoun, he, she, it, Ahmed, Muhammad, my father, or any singular noun you can, plus verb es, s, ies, and the plural pronoun, you can see what the pronoun or the plural pronoun, they, we, you, or I, you can see I plus verb infinitive and so on, and you can use when instead of what? If. Okay, the last thing, if you want anything, call Ahmed. Okay, you can say this is instruction. Okay, if you want anything, call what? Call Ahmed. Okay, all of this, the zero conditional, but these instructions, you put the verb in the imperative form without any subject or pronoun directly. You can write the verb in the infinitive form. بارك الله فيكم وجزاكم الله خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.